everyone, welcome back to another video. I, Srishti Mishra, Legal Literary Lexicon Company, is going to present today's video topic, that is rights of an arrested person. So talking about right of an arrested person, firstly we will be knowing that about our Indian legal system. That is, our Indian legal system is based on a very important concept. That concept is that an innocent until proven guilty. So I repeat that the concept, that is an innocent until proven guilty. So any individual who is accused, that is, if the person who is accused and not found guilty till now, only trial is going on that person, so that person will be not called as criminal, and the person will be called as the under trial, because till now the person is not found to be guilty. The person on that person trial is going on, so that person will not be called as a criminal but as an under trial. So now, on the basis of above, which I just talked about, that the concept, on the basis of that, what happened, that rights are given in our Indian constitution plus our code of criminal procedure. Okay, so what happened, that the rights are defined under both of them, that is Indian constitution plus our CRPC. So few points, few rights which we'll be discussing about that, about the arrested person. So one of first right of that is, if the accused is going to be arrested, so it is very important for that person, accused person, to know the ground of arrest. Those that deals with section 50 clause 1. Okay, so section 50 clause 1 talks about the right to know the grounds of arrest. So here what happened, suppose that any person who has committed some crime, and after committing that crime, police inspector go to that police officer, go to that person to arrest that person. So it's very important for that person who is accused to know on the which grounds he is going to be arrested. So it is first right of the arrested person. Now a second right, that is section 55 or CRPC deals with this, where the police officer will get the order from a senior inspector on behalf of him to designated to arrest that person, any person who is accused, to arrest that person. And if while arresting that person, because the order has been given by a superior police officer to subordinate officer to arrest that person, arrest that accused. So when the subordinate will be going to arrest that person, it's very important for the police officer to show that person whom he is going to arrest, to show that the order has been given, the written order which has been given by his superior police inspector. And plus, if he do not show that order, then that arrest will be known as the illegal arrest. Okay, now talking about another rights of arrested persons. So section 75 of CRPC, where notification of substances of warrant. So where the grounds should be mentioned to that person, accused person, after he is arrested, on which behalf the person is arrested. And understand that now we have come to the issue of warrant. Okay, issue of warrant issue कर दिया गया है, and on the grounds of arrest should be known as or in case where the person should know the grounds of the arrest, and plus in some cases where the accused asks for the written issue of warrant, so it's a right of a police officer to show that written warrant. Okay, now after the arrest is done, and police officer ask him question and answers took place, where the police ask some questions here regarding that offenses to the accused person. So at that place, the police officer can ask the questions, but it's depend on the accused, it's depend on the arrested person, that person is going to answer or not. he has every right to be silenced. It depends on that person, that person is going to be going to be answer all the questions which are asked by the police officers or not. Okay, so it's the section article 20 subclause 3 in Indian Constitution talks about this right, that is right to silence against self incrimination. Okay, now moving ahead, we are talking about that section 50 subclause 3, which talks about right to be released on bail. If the person who is accused and arrested on bailable offences, and he is not knowing that he has been arrested on bailable offences due to which he can released on bail, so it's the right of a police officer, right of a police to tell that arrested person, to tell that man that you can you can released on the bail because your offense is on bailable offense. So it's right of a police officer if the person is not knowing that the offense is done by him is a bailable offense. So this is one of the right, that is section 50 subclause 3 talks about it. Now another right, that is police, that is without any delay, the police officer without any delay he should present that accused person in the court, in the judiciary. So it is right, it is very important right, that is section 56 and section 76 talks about that, that is right to be taken before a magistrate without a delay. So no police officer, no police can put that arrested person, put that an individual who is accused for more than 24 hours in lockup, that person cannot, and 24 hours के अंदर ही that person should be presented in the court to presented in the court, and this is the form of arrest and declaration, that is section 70 talks about it. Now moving ahead, that is right not to be detained for more than 24 hours, which I told that the person should has right to not to be detained for more than 24 hours. Within the 24 hours that person should be presented in the court, that deals with section 57. So if here I talk that why that person should be detained for only 24 hours, not more than that. So because to prevent the unlawful arrest, whether some unlawful arrest took place, to prevent that, the person should be arrested only for 24 hours only, and within 24 hours that person should be presented towards the court. So this is whole about the rights, which talks about the rights of an arrested person, and I hope you find this video useful. And if you find this useful, go and smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your feedback in the comment box below down. Till then, take care, goodbye.